All right, good morning. Changing it up this week. Y'all seem to be tired of the engine compartment videos by judging the few views I had in the last one. So let me start with Bodywork. Get the peeling clear coat off this area. See how it looks underneath. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so you know the sander is going to be loud. I'm trying to be somewhat quiet. So I got I don't know, 80 grit, 60 grip, whatever it is. We'll see how much damage I can do. Alright, yeah, that might be a little loud. Let's get back to this in about an hour, about 8 o'clock. Too noisy for now. Alright, so got this with 80 grit, pretty rough. Going 180 now. So we can get a little smoother, get some of the swirls out, work our way down. Goodness. Yeah, getting better. Got some good swirls there and right there. Better. Definitely better. Okay, switch this out for 240 and I'll be back. Okay, 240. So, seems to be a couple of low spots. I don't know if you see the little hole there. Another one there, a little bubble of some kind. But mix up a little. Actually, it's gotten too warm out. Have to do a little body filler tomorrow morning probably. Let's take out that edge right there. There we go. Okay, might do some more sanding off camera. Probably will actually, but you guys will get bored of it, so I'll get some more done and we'll bring you back, show you what I get done. All right, so I didn't do too much more off camera, but smooth out, came around the corner, got to there. So it's fairly smooth, but I got to order some new, some more sandpaper. I don't have anything smoother than 240 right now for the orbital. So yeah, that's where we're going. Bodywork. Hope you all enjoy it more in the engine compartment. Because that last video was terribly underwatched. Oh well, we'll try again. All right, pulled the car in the garage again. Was having a problem with fuel smell last time because the fuel lines had been cut. And I was trying to figure out how to, block each line individually. And realized I'm an idiot. And I just looped them, the supply line and the return line. Clamp down the hose clamps tight. No more leak, no more smell, no more fumes. So now the car can cool down. And I can do sanding and body work no matter how hot it is or how much it's raining. Yeah, that only took me weeks to figure out. Oh well. C'est la vie. All right, first coat of primer's on. Fortunately, it's all I had. I ran out. So let this dry. I'll go buy some more later today or tomorrow. Then sand it, right down to 2000. Make it smooth. I got black though for some guide coat. Make sure there's no low spots or anything. So that now looks like that. And it used to look quite a bit like this. So yeah, it's better. It's coming. But yeah, need more supplies. Okay, just bought more primer. I got the second coat on here. So I got two fairly thick coats. I'll let that dry for an hour or so, even though it won't take that long on this heat. Then take all the tape off, paper off, wet sand it, and see how it ends up. It's a little rough, obviously just being spray paint, but yeah, we get the paper and crap off and sand it down in a bit. All right, time to do wet sanding. Got two thick coats on here. Definitely rough. But we'll start with 1000. Then work our way up to, I can't remember, I grabbed 5000. Few in between. Lots of water. You can hear the roughness That'll disappear as we go through the different sanding levels. Dang it. All right. Switch out the 1000 for 1500. Thing, just soak it all down again. Wind. Yeah. And 1500 to 2000. Come on now. All right, and 2000, 2500. That should be good. Dry it off. Check it for low spots, high spots. Come on, let go of that crap. There. All right, let's paper towel. Clean this up. See how it feels. A little more. All right. Oh. Wow, was that ever smooth? Yeah, super smooth. I do a little bit more right there, but outside of that, wow, that is unreal. All right, so yeah, Bodywork, other than the hood, has now begun. Yeah, still a bit of a ridge there, that's okay. Yeah, so anyway, I think that's it for this week. Not sure what I'm gonna do next week. Obviously more body work, but probably finish off this fender and yeah, go from there. Take the weather stripping off so I could get all that cleaned out. But yeah, oops, kicking stuff. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell, all the fun stuff. Till next week.